Hi people. Someone wanted me to ask because there is one problem with Autodesk. One of the errors which you can fix because I done that video tutorial in the past, but I want to publish once again. I think if I publish couple steps and you will follow video tutorial error 1603. That error which someone mentioned when I published a video tutorial about how to install Autodesk 2024. Also you have like Autodesk licensing service. Pay attention, you need to install it before you install Autodesk products. Another thing is all this. That component is quite important. I just have to check something. Hopefully I will be able to navigate where this is located. Autodesk Access Service Host. I think you go to Program Files, 64-bit, Autodesk, Autodesk ODIS, and you have to remove this when you click on that and you install from scratch once again. Okay. Visual C++ library, also important. Please install it as well, but the reason is because I need to reinstall, I need to unpack everything. For some reasons, files get corrupted, which really annoys me. This is why I keep everything in archive in a zip file. Another thing is registry. Aki local machine system current control set control. I just have to think. I think. Where did I go last time? In file system, we have folder this. We have to enable short name subport for files. This is what Autodesk mentioned. If you type value 0, this means you enable this. Short creation names of the when you enable value 0, you have to enable because by default is value 2, which means it is disabled. This will bypass that error what Autodesk was talking about. Let me to pause the video. Okay, I'm getting back to you. I had to unpack files in folder 3 and get marquee. Via disk, you also have to install, but I have already installed via disk on 64-bit version. The reason why setup failed, this is because I have already installed. I only showed it to you because each library is important and you cannot really avoid what you're supposed to install. And I hope you like my video tutorial. Pay attention on this folder. You have to enable short creation of the names of the files. Let's see what registry will tell me. Enable the computer to self-generating file names. This is what Autodesk was mentioned. Okay, I cannot show you how to fix that error because I'm publishing what I was learning from Autodesk website. I hope you will be able to fix and bypass this error after when I showed it to you.